got no camera going off in the ring.
Oh yeah.
I get regular blues.
Yeah.
The key is why you what?
Yeah.
I'm doing.
Well, all right, what's good, baby? Happy belated birthday, baby. Yeah.
H-Town is the place and you better respect it. H-Town is the place and you better respect it. H-Town is the place and you better respect it. I ate the beat and digest it. Represent Houston, Texas. And I'm grinding for a tall state. Haters, please fall back.
Over here at Slab Boulevard. This is Slab Culture product offered exclusively right here at Slab Boulevard in Houston, Texas, but they do ship worldwide. You know what I'm saying? What all other products y'all have other than the mid-size and the baby fifths?
Right now we got the mid-size kits, baby kits are on the way. These kits, brand new, 2023 edition, come with the brand new crystal clear, reverse lights, fresh chrome, heavy duty housing, brand new ring.
Hey, shout out to all the antiques that's still out there, but that's that 2023 new boy, man. You know what I'm saying? Get you an updated bumper kit. You got them old raggedy lights that falling off, don't even work, hanging off, you know what I'm saying? Get you one of these new boys, man. Slab Boulevard, what's up, baby? Yeah, okay.
It's a Slab Culture product sold exclusively here at Slab Boulevard. You can't get this anywhere else, not on eBay, not online, nowhere. So if you need a custom grill, also we build those from scratch. Check out this one on Slab.
Got the damn top drop, got the damn top drop.